In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications in Shopify so you can stay updated on orders, customers, payments, and other important store activities. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, click on Settings in the bottom left corner of the screen. Next, select Notifications from the Settings menu. This is where Shopify lets you manage all notification preferences for your store. Scroll to the Staff Notifications section. If you want team members to receive updates, click Add Recipient and enter their email address. Choose the notification types you'd like them to receive, such as new orders, order cancellations, or payment updates. Once you've made your selections, click Add Recipient to save the changes. If notifications are already set up, you can manage them by clicking the three dots next to a notification and selecting Turn On or Turn Off as needed. Finally, save any changes if prompted. That's it. Shopify notifications are now enabled, helping you stay informed and manage your store more efficiently. Thanks for watching.